Looking for the top 1 best treadmill home workout and fitness option? In this video, I'm reviewing the top 1 best treadmill home workout and fitness product to help you decide which one offers the right balance of performance, features, comfort, and value. Let's find the best fit for your home gym. We have included links in the description. Product name: Xterra Fitness Sport Series Premium Folding Smart Treadmill, Handlebar Speed and Incline Controls, Large Xterra Soft Cushioned Running Deck, Built-in FTMS-enabled Bluetooth with XF Connect Fitness app. The Xterra Fitness Sport Series Premium Folding Smart Treadmill is built for people who want a comfortable and convenient way to stay active without leaving home. It's especially appealing for walkers, joggers, and runners looking for a treadmill that combines modern fitness features with a space-saving design. With its folding frame, Xterra soft cushioned running deck, handlebar speed and incline controls, and Bluetooth connectivity through the XF Connect Fitness app, it offers a well-rounded home workout experience. One of its biggest strengths is comfort. The large Xterra soft cushioned deck helps reduce the impact on your knees and joints, making longer workouts feel more comfortable than running on hard outdoor surfaces. The handlebar controls allow you to quickly adjust speed and incline without interrupting your workout, while the built-in FTMS-enabled Bluetooth makes it easy to connect with compatible fitness apps and track your progress. The folding design is another major advantage, especially for people living in apartments or homes where space is limited. After your workout, the treadmill folds up for easier storage, helping keep your workout area organized. This treadmill is best suited for beginners, regular walkers, runners, and anyone building a home gym. It's also a great option for users who enjoy tracking workouts and staying motivated with connected fitness features. However, serious marathon trainers or advanced athletes who require commercial-grade performance may want a larger, more powerful treadmill designed for intensive daily training. Overall, the Xterra Fitness Sport Series Premium Folding Smart Treadmill offers an excellent balance of comfort, convenience, and smart technology. For most home users looking for a dependable treadmill that supports everyday fitness goals while saving space, it's a solid and practical choice. That wraps up my review of this treadmill home workout and fitness product. Hopefully, it helped you decide if it's the right choice for your fitness goals and budget. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the links below for more details and the latest pricing.